The kids got lots of toys and puzzles and everything under the sun for Christmas, but you can't find any of it, not in the messy toy room. Today, we are sharing solutions to transform that chaotic space into a place of fun and order. Amanda Merrell with the Toy Testing Sisters joins me to share innovative products that will help you easily organize all the kids' collections. Amanda, I love that we're starting off with grace. You're saying it's not about perfection.
No.
It's about functionality.
Yeah, nobody has a perfect toy room.
Thank you for saying that.
Nobody does.
Thank you for all the mothers for saying that.
No, the goal is to have a space where your kids can see their toys and they know how and where to put them away. Because the truth is, less really is more in a toy room.
And I love your first point in your saying, let the kids help. These systems enforce that.
Exactly. We are big fans of teaching your kids how to pick up. So getting systems in place where you've got low profile shelves, you've got storage, you've got acrylic clear bins, that helps them do this. Our favorite pro tip for keeping a toy room clean is something that we call the secret item game. So pick an item beforehand. The kid who finds it, puts it away at the end, gets a small little like tree or a sticker. It works every time. The secret item.
Well, I mean, we can wrap up now. I'm good. That was amazing. No, the secret item game. I love that. It makes it a game. It makes it fun for them to clean up. Let's dive right in. First, you're saying books.
Yes.
Who doesn't have a million books?
Yeah, I like to use, over here we've got a utility cart. This is just from Amazon, $36. I love that it can hold so much and it doesn't have a large footprint. So it doesn't take up a lot of space and your kids can roll it around their room depending on where they want to read.
And I love the organization. It fits right in here.
Yeah.
So it almost looks like it's made for books. Is it?
It's not.
Okay.
But like that, my kids in all their rooms, this is what they use it for.
And it feels so organized. I love that. Another method you say.
Love it. So puzzles obviously can be really challenging if you lose
If you don't have one piece.
If you lose the pieces.
The whole puzzle is gone.
I know. A lot of you probably use the IKEA storage in your toy room. So this is really great because it transforms one of those cubbies into a slotted puzzle organizer. And they can see their puzzles and then easily grab them out. We want kids to see the toys that are available to them.
Okay, and next you're saying, this one kills me also, another piece missing and it's over games.
Yes, okay, so games, this has been my favorite thing right now. I took this viral Amazon photo container and turned it into a card game storage unit.
Photo container,
yes.
This is genius.
Okay, this is only $25 on Amazon. So all I did was take everything out of like the smashed containers, the cards coming out, put them in here. It's awesome because you just label it, boom.
And they're all right there in this, look, it's labeled, it's gorgeous, it's a huge space saver.
And it's easy, so if your kids want to play games, say go grab the game container. They pull it up. If you're going camping or on a trip, you just grab this and go.
Look how gorgeously organized all of these labels. All of our cardboard boxes, I feel like they get ruined.
Yes.
It's keeping the cards bent. This is such a practical way. And you said it's $25?
$25 on Amazon.
Okay, so you might be investing in the beginning, but this is going to save you so many headaches and dollar for dollar worth the money.
Yes.
I love that. Okay, next you're saying is stuffed animals.
Yes. Okay. Do your kids have a lot of stuffed animals? Mine do.
I am so mean. I don't love stuffed animals. I am like, why you have blankets, you have all these things. So this is good because we do have a few, and maybe this will let me have more.
Okay. Yes, my kids have an insane amount. This to me is the best stuffed animal storage option because it hangs over the door. Yeah. They can grab their stuffies really easily. It holds so much.
I'm surprised at how much it holds.
Yes, and it's easy for them to, it doesn't like mess with the door opening and closing. It's fantastic. And they can pick out what they want, put it away, $28 on Amazon. And everything is contained and looks beautiful.
And it just goes over the door, which that storage, you have it already, you're just not utilizing it. You did something similar with Barbies here. Tell us about that.
Yeah, this is just another clear over the door container, $10 at Target. You can slide your Barbies in and out. You can even use them for Nerf guns. Everything's organized and your kid can go and grab what they want. They're not rifling through bins.
And they fit individually, like we're seeing here on video. They just fit individually right in these cubby holders. You can see everything. Their hair's not getting messed up. Their dresses look great. I'm not quite in my Barbie area yet. I'm hoping to be someday with a little girl, but these Nerf guns, they're speaking to me. Tell me what you did with Barbies over here as well.
Okay, this is fun. I took a brochure display and turned it into Barbie storage. So
okay,
this can actually hold eight Barbies. So imagine this being attached to a wall.
Okay.
And
Here, let me attach.
you hold that.
I'll be the
and
wall.
you just have them sit right here, and it can hold 8 of them. And it looks cute, and it doubles as decor.
I was gonna say, and Barbies are so pretty. They're all dressed up. Look at this cute video. Oh, look at her.
Yeah, that's
and
my little girl, and she just picks the Barbie she wants to play with, and then she can slide it right back in. If they age out of the Barbies, use it for book storage.
Look at that. You keep it on the wall. You utilize it for something else. I do love that, Barbies. Okay, next, Hot Wheels.
Yes, Hot Wheels.
We have that like case thing that rolls around, and they're always falling out of that. Always falling out.
So I have that too, and it's fun for them to play with, but it's not great for storing. This is awesome because it can hold 48 cars.
Oh.
And it opens on either side.
This is for the collector.
Yeah, this is easy for your kids to add their cars, take them in and out. And then if you have a kid who likes to tote their cars around from room to room, it has a handle. So they can grab the handle and take their cars where they want to go. But it keeps everything nice and organized, and this slides in and out of almost any cube storage.
Oh, good
So imagine
point.
just like sliding that in, and it just goes right on up.
Yes, okay, and from one boy favorite to another, not necessarily just for boys, but Legos.
Yes, okay.
Can I tell you, I love Legos, but I equally don't love Legos.
So, same. My son has so many Legos, and there's usually a lot of chatter about how to store the Lego, but we don't always focus on the minifigs. And the minifigs can be really cute, and a lot of times they get
this is displaying them
yes,
too.
so you can display this has like 28 minifigs in here. So you can display them, and if you want to access them, you can grab out your minifig. So it also doubles as decor as well.
You're so hip, minifig. Look at you. Okay, last but not least.
Okay, you do not need to spend $1,000 at the Container Store, okay?
Big sigh from everyone here.
You do not. Spend your money on great toys, not organizing them all. So these bins are great. They're from Target. You're looking at $3 to $5, and what I love about them is that they're modular, they're stackable, they have lids. They're gonna fit in those cube storage units. If you do toy room like rotation, great. Put everything in here, move it into storage, pull it back out when you're ready, and your kids can see what they're gonna be playing with, which is key.
And I love that you're saying these don't cost a lot. They're just from Target. They're easily accessible, and they can make your life easier. Amanda,
Absolutely.
this was so informative. Tell us where we can follow along more with you.
Yes, so you can follow us on our Instagram or TikTok, Toy Testing Sisters, and then we also have a website, toytestingsisters.com, and we have hundreds and hundreds of the coolest toys out there.
Hundreds and hundreds, and if you didn't think you needed more toys, you need to go chat with her and follow along because it is such a fun follow, and they're really educational. They're meaning for toys. You're not sharing toys just to share toys.
No junk, only the good stuff.
Only the good stuff. Thanks, Amanda.